Today we are going to continue in the series about RedBubble, and we're going to take a little closer look at everything you can do when it comes to managing your portfolio. So let's move over to my computer. So here we are at RedBubble, and as you can see here in my little avatar, I am already logged in. If you haven't logged in, you need to do that first. I'm clicking on my avatar and we go to Manage Portfolio. And as you can see, I have uploaded a couple of more patterns to this portfolio. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to look at collections. And collections is just that, a collection of similar images. For example, the 5 flower patterns we uploaded the first time here. So I mark all 5 of them. I go up to collections here, flowers, I call that. I click the little plus sign. I then mark the collection I want them to be included in, and I choose add. And it says 5 works have successfully been added. If I now click on collections here, I can see that I have a collection here with 5 parts in it. And I can click edit and add a description, a seamless flower pattern, and update. So now let's go back under manage portfolio. And let's take a look at one of the newer ones I have done. These leaves, for example. If I click on the little cogwheel here, I can go in to edit. What I can do here is under product choice. Maybe I want this to be able to be a sticker or a magnet, so I can go in and edit that. Sometimes when you create a pattern, they are so far apart that it will be, as a sticker, it will be little pieces on a sticker. In that case, we can go in to use a JPEG. You see here there are little holes in this sticker, but it's still connected as one. But if I instead go in here and choose the JPEG and I upload that instead, now if we go in to edit, we see it's one sticker. All the holes that were in the sticker have disappeared. I suggest for most of your creation that PNG is the way to go, but sometimes you can use a JPEG, for example, when it comes to stickers. Let's say that I also wanted to enable this pattern on standard print clothing. A couple of things to think about when I edit here. This is now the PNG. When I uploaded that JPEG, it's only changed for the stickers. The rest of them are still PNG. The first thing I want to do is to move this. It was too low on the t-shirt. Normally you want the print to be up around the heart. I can also choose if the print will be on the front or the back. And here I can choose what my initial color that it will show if someone looking on the t-shirt should be. Maybe I want it on blue shirt as the first shirt it shows up on. So I can set default color, I can change the placement, and I went in for my stickers and changed it to a JPEG image. When I'm happy with all my changes, I have to go down and do this part again. I have the right to sell these products and save my work. Every time I go in and do some changes to something I already uploaded, I have to do this. And now we can see that it shows up on clothes, and it shows in the cases where it has blue, it shows the blue, it shows the darker ones for the ones that don't come in blue. Let's go back to Manage Portfolio. On top here, we also have something called Quick Edit. And when I click that, you see what I can quick edit is the titles and the tags. Maybe I want to add some tags to my artwork without having to do the whole process and go down and save artwork again. This is an excellent place to go. One last thing I want to show you today is how to promote products. And let's say I want to promote some of the products I have with this flower pattern. I click on the cogwheel and I say promote products. This opens a new window, and here we can see all the different products that I have chosen this to be able to print on. And let's see, maybe I want to promote this floor pillow. I can do this in two ways. One is to use the little arrow here, and I can share on Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, or Pinterest. I can also click these three little dots underneath. From here, I can view the product page. I can copy the link if I just want to put the link somewhere, or I can download images. This opens a new window where we have 5 images with the floor pillow using my pattern. And I can download all or any of them by just clicking the little download button and save it to my computer. I can then use these images on my social media to promote my RedBubble store. Let's go back to our portfolio and say that I want to promote the artwork itself instead. I can go down and choose promote artwork. And here we have everything that I have available for this. I can copy this up at top, copy this specific URL and use that in a social media post on my blog or wherever I want to promote my artwork. And that will take people to this specific website where it shows the artwork itself and everything it is available on. I want to share with you one more thing today, and that is, let's say that I made this sunflower work. I can make it private. This little padlock shows up. I can still go in and edit it. Sometimes when I am not done with all the pieces of a collection, or I haven't done all the work that I wanted to do before I started selling things with this specific artwork, I uploaded it and I set it to private so I can continue working on it. Now you hopefully have a better understanding on how you can control your artwork. But there is much more to RedBubble. In my next video, we're gonna take a look at the dashboard and things that you can control from there. So if that interests you, I suggest that you subscribe to the channel and hit that little bell so you get notified when I upload. Until next time. Bye.